on the negative side of the Folkshule experience, we're reading all these atrocity stories about what was going on in Europe in World War II. Recognized that when I was 10 and 45 and I started at 8, for 2 years I was there in the Folkshule during World War II. And there were a lot of songs that we were taught that were based on the Holocaust in Europe, which had a significant impact on my life. It was in the papers and we discussed it. And we learned that I think the most important song well, 2 songs I learned. Partisaner Lied, the Partisan song, Zog nicht keinmal aus der Geistem letzten Weg, wenn Himmelen bläuene, gräuene verstellen bläue Tag. Wo kommen wird der Sonne mit dir, Kajor, und es wird ein Poiton und so Trott mir seinen da. Basically saying that don't ever think you're going on the last walk, because a day will come when the sun will shine and the world will feel the imprint of our footfalls on the ground. And another stanza from that. Geschrieben ist das Lied mit Blut und nicht mit Blei. Es ist nicht kein Lied von Silberfegel auf der Fly. Das ist ein Lied von zwischen fallendem Gewand. Das Lied gesungen mit Aganis in der Hand. This song is written not with lead, but with blood. It's not a song of summer birds flying. It's a song that was written by men standing between Zwischendick event with fallen windows, Naganis grenades in their hands. So you get a very interesting picture. That song was written in the Vilna ghetto, but it was used as the theme for the Warsaw Ghetto uprising too. It was extremely powerful.